Hi guys, how are you doing? This time I want to share you how to create a timestamp in PowerApps through clicking a button. So here the timestamp, it is a serious number converted from the current time, including the year, the month, the day, the hour, and the second. So let me walk you through it. Firstly, we insert a button, a label. So here we have to use the variable. It's use a variable. Okay, in PowerApps, the variable needed to be defined. So we can just use it directly. So here we set the text. Maybe we just name a value, a variable. Okay, it's for example, it's timestamp. Stamp. Okay. Then here we can choose on select. Where's on select? Okay, here. Okay, we can change set or update the variable's value. Okay, we can use this function update context. Then use a bracket and time stamp. Okay, then text. Now get the time. Then we define the format. So we can see year, YY, M, month, day, hour, second. Okay, then bracket. Okay. Okay, let's have a try. It's done. Okay, you can see each time you click the button, the value will be updated because the variable will be updated when we click the button. The value, the first four digits is year, the month, the hour, no, the month, the day, the hour, the second, right? So you can see the number will be changed when we click the button. So yeah, that's it. Just remember, try to use this one, this function. Remember this, and firstly set the labels, the text property to a variable. Yeah, okay, that's it. Thank you. If you have any questions, just give me a comment below. Yeah, thank you. Bye.